In the mouth with their teeth grind the food for mechanical digestion. When the food enters the oral cavity, the salivary glands are triggered and supply saliva, aiding in the food particle being digested. The saliva also contains a protein containing mucin coating for the food. Salivary amylase hydrolyzes the starch and glycogen to produce shorter polysaccharides or maltose. The tongue tastes the food particle and rolls into a ball or bolus. Then we swallow, and the food goes to a junction in the pharynx. The glottis will cover up the windpipe with the epiglottis. This ensures the bolus will pass the esophageal sphincter and go to the esophagus. No digestion occurs here, but peristalsis does, with muscle contractions. The food reaches the stomach, and mechanical digestion and chemical digestion is performed. Gastric juice components include hydrochloric acid, which are secreted by parietal cells. The hydrochloric acid mixes with the zymogen pepsinogen to create pepsin, which then breaks down proteins into shorter polypeptides. Turned into an acid chyme by the stomach. The passage of the chyme into the small intestine is regulated by the pyloric sphincter. Small intestine is where most digestion and absorption occurs. The first part is the duodenum, where juices from the pancreas, liver, gallbladder, and gland cells mix. The pancreas provides enzymes such as sodium bicarbonate, which neutralizes acidic chyme. The liver produces bile, which includes bile salts, detergent aiding in digestion of fats. Bile is stored in the gallbladder. Pancreatic amylase hydrolyzes the polysaccharides into maltose or disaccharides. Trypsin, which is activated by enterokinase, and chymotrypsin break polypeptides into smaller polypeptides. Enzymes called dipeptidases split peptides. Aminopeptidase and carboxypeptidase digest proteins into small polypeptides. Smaller polypeptides into amino acids. Nucleases hydrolyze DNA or RNA into nucleotides. Bile salt help to make sure that fat globules are emulsified, so lipase can hydrolyze the fat into glycerol and fatty acids. The small intestine is the later part and has small finger-like projections called villi. These villi also have microvilli, which are found in brush border cells. In these finger-like projections are capillaries, which surround lacteals. The capillaries absorb nutrients and increase surface area as well, and the lacteal takes globule and fat. The gastrin, enterogastrone, secretin all regulate digestion. The large intestine is connected at a T-junction with the small intestine. One arm is the cecum or appendix. The colon recovers water lost. Here there's no digestion, but there's a lot of flora. The terminal part of the large intestine is the rectum, which leads to the anus.